This is the Squirrelinator. It's a little metal trap, just high enough for a squirrel to get in, nothing else to get in. It's got these little doors here, and they go in those doors, and then I have some feed here to tempt them in there. And once they come in, the little flap sits back down and they can't really get out. And for us, these have worked brilliantly. This is the first day that I put them out. I used them all season last year as well. And I got tons of squirrels, literally 50 or 60 squirrels in a matter of a couple of days. Not even exaggerating. I mean, just to put it in perspective, today is the first day that I've had these out for this season. This trap has, this trap has 7 in it. I have 3 of these traps. Another trap that I just emptied had 5, and then I checked on another trap earlier and it had another 5. It may have more by now. So all total, that's 17 in one day. And so yeah, you know, you just do that a couple days in a row, you get 50, 60 squirrels. Now, these are California ground squirrels. I'm not sure how effective they'd be on other squirrels, but for these California ground squirrels, these traps work brilliantly. You can see this little door at the top, so whenever you're done with the squirrels, you can open up the door and get them out through the top. Or if you want to just let them go, you can close this little flap here, and that flap will close these little openings so that you can transport this cage to another location to let them go, which is not something I do, but you can if you choose to. So they're about 30 bucks. It's not a cheap squirrel trap, but I'll tell you, it has been well worth it for us, because squirrels were a real bad problem where anything we tried to grow, they would eat it. They'd dig up our seeds. They would kill our chickens. They were just a real big problem. So we got these traps, and it was just like night and day how many squirrels that we had. So, you know, the $30 is money well spent, in my opinion.